Hi, I'm Tim from Highland Financial Services, and today I'm here with one of my brokers, Natalie Denya, and we'll be talking to you about the changes in the banking industry at the moment. So Natalie, with all of the changes that are happening in the industry at the moment, we've seen an increase in service times for how long it's taking us to get the clients approved. So how have you been handling that?
Definitely the banks are taking longer to assess the loans, but we found that because of the scale and the volume of loans that we write here, as well as the relationship that we have with the lenders, we've been able to still deliver and get quick turnaround times for our clients. And this is important because if they've purchased a property and they need to move fast, and also even if they're refinancing, we're often getting them better rates, which means we want them to be saving money sooner rather than later.
Awesome. And the more money we can save them, I guess the quicker they can pay off their home loan.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. What
are some of the other changes that you're seeing, apart from the time it's taking to get approvals? What are some of the other changes that the banks have been making recently?
I've definitely noticed that they are asking for more documentation. So they're going to be wanting to see 30 days of your transaction account. So this is to see living expenses, so they can verify that, as well as they'll look at conduct on the account as well.
Okay.
And other than that, they're also wanting to see 30 days on your liabilities. So credit cards, personal loans, car leases, they will want to see those statements as well.
And I guess that's one of the advantages of using a brokerage firm like ours, is that with all these changes that are happening at the moment, we really need to be on top of getting the application right the first time to make sure that it goes through smoothly. What we're seeing as well is if you don't get it right the first time, you can be waiting sort of 2 or 3 days to get the initial approval, and if something's missing because you're not quite sure what that lender requires, it goes back in the queue and it just delays the process. So if we can get it right by knowing what each lender needs, it's a smoother process for everybody, and also as a result, like we were talking about before, quicker turnaround times for the client. Well, thanks Natalie, that's a great insight to how the banks are operating at the moment. And if you'd like to speak to one of our mortgage brokers about a pre-approval or how we can save you some money on your home loan, please reach out to us and give us a call, and we'd be happy to help.